Hey Tan fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mrs. Tanya Joshi aka Relate with Tanya and I hope you guys are doing really well. This eye look was highly requested on Instagram. I did it for a brand and everybody loved the eye look. It is actually super easy. You need one eyeshadow, one kajal or liner and this blue aqua color, and that is it to create this amazing eye look. And I hope you enjoy this tutorial and I hope I explain it well, and yeah, keep on watching. So obviously before starting the eye look, sorry, I've already done one step on this side, but I'm going to show you the application over here. Anyways, before obviously starting the eye look, make sure to apply concealer on your eyelids and do your brows. I've skipped this step because I feel it's a very common step. मैंने हर वीडियो में आपने दिखाया है, but I'll tell you what products I've used. I'm just searching for the product. I don't know where it is.
A few moments later.
So found the products. For my brows, I've used the Makeup Revolution ka brow balayage in the shade dark brown. I hope you can see it. It's a very beautiful brow pencil and the finish of the brows has come out really well with this. I really like the product. It's quite nice and precise, the tip also. ये मैंने यूज़ किया अपने ब्राउज के लिए, एंड कंसीलिंग के लिए मैंने लॉरियल का इनफैलिबल 317 कंसीलर यूज़ किया है. It's the perfect concealer for concealing your eyes and even your under eyes. Only problem is इसमें shade variety थोड़ी कम है, but this one works really well for my skin tone. तो yeah, this is 317 and I've already applied it on my lid. And we're going to start off with the look now. Now you need a nice pop of pink. I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution का Sofex palette है ये. It has a very beautiful pink over here. If you see, ये बहुत ही pretty pink है. ऐसा pink चाहिए. ज़रूरी नहीं है आपको सिर्फ यही palette लेना. You can take any palette that you have and just try to find a pink shade like so for your this eye look. So let's get started with this pink. I'm going to take a nice dense brush. This is pack का brush. ये brush set में आता है, तो there's no particular number for this. You can't buy this individually. So just make sure you're taking a very dense brush to apply this pink color. I'm going to take the pink on the brush and start applying it on my lid like so. You have to keep building it up. So आप अच्छे से इसको build up करते रहिए. Bring it till your natural crease line. ये eye look hooded eyes वाले भी कर सकते हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Only thing is I might tell you to skip one of the liners. We're going to be putting two liners, right? एक तो हम blue liner डालेंगे और एक काजल का liner डालेंगे. Choose one of them and I would tell you to choose the colorful one so that it looks a little different. Hooded eyes में it is going to be little difficult to accommodate two liners for hooded eyes, so आप दोनों में से एक liner choose करना. And whereas people who have slightly more lid space can opt for both the black liner and the blue liner. So yeah, अभी के लिए we're just gonna dab the color all over our lid crease line तक like so. अच्छे से pat करना, build the pigmentation well. It's really good. I love the pigment of the pink that is coming out from this palette. It's quite nice. Once you have already now placed the color on the lid na, we need to soften out the edges. So uske liye I'm going to take a tapered fluffy brush like so. Again, this is a part of the Pack 15 brush set collection. Make sure you just take a fluffy brush abhi ke liye. You need to basically soften out the edges. Abhi dekho bahut hi harsh line lag rahi hai compared to this one. This looks out like this has been blended out. Wahi look hame is eye mein achieve karna hai. So we'll take a fluffy brush and just start softening it out like so. अच्छे से soften करना. You can always take a little bit little bit of that pink color on this and उसको थोड़ा सा extra निकाल के फिर आप उसको blend out करो. तो अभी I'm just blending out the edges. अच्छा से circular motion में आप उसको blend out कर सकते हो. I'm trying not to cut the video too much ताकि you can see the blending process. Just nicely take your time. Blend it out. You can see it's blended out pretty well. अच्छे से blend out हो रहा है eyeshadow. That's why I liked this Revolution Sofex palette. काफ़ी अच्छा है. It's really good. I'm just blending it out. Beautiful palette. स्लोली ब्लेंड आउट. टेक योर टाइम, आराम से इसको ब्लेंड करो. ब्लेंडिंग में थोड़ा वक्त लगता ही है एंड डोंट बी इन अ रश. अगर आप जितना थोड़ा आराम से टाइम लेके ब्लेंड करोगे ना, इट विल बी बेटर फॉर यू. सो या, अच्छे से सॉफ्टन आउट करो. Yeah, I'm very happy with the look of the blending. But see, now मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि थोड़ा सा middle से ना color का pay off चला गया है. तो I'm gonna go back with the dense brush, go back with the same pink and दोबारा थोड़ा center को मैं pigmented करूँगी, just ताकि वो थोड़ा सा उसका look ना चला जाए. कभी कभार blending में we take off the extra color, so it leaves a little bit of patch. So don't worry, take the same color. Sorry, something went wrong with my camera and just stopped recording and it took me some time to figure it out why. Anyways, तो वो हमने add करके we've just added the color again back with the dense brush so that it does not lose its look. Like I said, कभी कभार वो blending में patchiness आ जाती है that you've lost the color. So we went back with the dense brush, added the color again on our lid and we've now blended it out. I loved how the blending is looking. Now to complete this look, let's take this gold color. ये gold color दिया, आप कोई सा भी gold ले सकते हो. I'm just going to apply that from a precise brush, again from the same brush set by PAC, and apply it in my inner corner like so. I felt the gold and the pink were looking very pretty. तो वही gold मैंने inner corner में लगाया है और वही gold मैंने अपने brow bone में ऐसे लगाया है, just to give it that extra look like so. I've applied it here in my inner corner. Usually I always do my eye makeup first. Those of you who follow me on Instagram would know that I do my eye makeup first. But this time I've already done my base and I've come. So it's a little bit of a challenge for me also. Anyways, now हम अभी liner बनाएंगे. I'm going to take the NYX का Epic Ink liner. It looks something like this. It's a beautiful ink pen. मैंने नायका हॉल में भी ये पेन दिखाया था. I love the application of this. So I'm going to quickly create a wing liner. Now I'm going to place it like this in the angle that I want the wing liner to go. ऐसे करके, and I'm just going to draw a line like so. So that is how I would want my wing liner to go. And now I'm just going to draw the wing liner. I absolutely love this ink pen. I'm just showing. Now you can go as thin or thick as you want. I'm going to go slightly thick. Like I said, hooded eyes के लिए आप ये liner step skip कर सकते हो and just directly apply the colored liner if you want, because थोड़ा सा hooded eyes में lid space कम होती है. So but if you are going to apply, then choose one of the liners. Don't apply both, नहीं तो it will not be seen and it will cover the pink eyeshadow that you have applied. So now I'm just going to continue to apply the liner. Take your time while doing this, कोई rush नहीं है. And yeah, I'm going to go slightly thick because उस वीडियो में जो इंस्टा में मैंने डाला है उसमें मैंने थोड़ा सा wing liner thick किया है. I'm just going to thicken this a bit more. It's a very nice pop of color, very summery look. You can wear this outside 100%. I would wear this outside for sure. It looks really nice and something different. किसी के मेहंदी में भी आप जा रहे हो तो आप ये you can do this colorful eye look and wear a nice pretty pink outfit for someone's mehendi and do this eye look. It'll look so cool. Yeah. So this is how I would want my wing liner to be. I'm just going to do this side and come back. So I've applied the liner on both of my eyes now. मैंने थोड़ा thicken भी किया है because I felt like on the video that I did on Instagram it was slightly thicker. But now moving on to the next step, I've taken the Suva का ये beautiful, you know, bluish liner. It's such a pretty color. I don't know, it's very turquoise, very pretty, and I think it's the shade Freezy. Now it's a water activated liner, तो पानी डाल के इसको थोड़ा activate करना है हमें. I know Suva can be slightly expensive for a lot of people, so Instagram में एक page है Fempire Beauty करके, they have water activated liners, so you can take that. They are quite affordable. Then Devashri Beauty में भी water activated liners है, so you can check that. Those are the two alternatives I would give for the Suva, because Suva is slightly on the expensive side, which I can understand that many of you might want an affordable alternative for it. Now since it's water activated, I'm just going to put some water, spray some water in it, very little, and I'm going to take a liner brush. Now this is a paint brush. This is a Chameleon brush, water acrylic brush number 20, 000 brush है ये. You can take a regular liner brush also, जो आप liner लगाने के लिए use करते हो, but mine is dirty, so I'm just taking a normal paint brush and I'm just going to activate the liner a bit. ऐसे थोड़ा सा उसको activate करके, फिर then I'll see an application on my hand whether clearly आ रहा है. If you can see, the color is coming out so well, so we are ready to apply it on our eyes. So I'm just going to take a little bit, just going to warm up the product. Now इस liner के हम ऊपर डालेंगे. We're going to apply it just on top. So take your time. I have to bend down a little bit, guys. Please don't mind. I have to look like up and just apply the liner. थोड़ा one swipe में try करो करने का. Obviously it takes a little bit of practice. Don't panic. धीरे धीरे भी करना है तो आराम से धीरे धीरे करो. We are trying to apply the liner on top of the kajal, sorry, not a kajal, but the eyeliner that we have done. So take your time, धीरे धीरे. If it messes up, don't worry. उसको fix करने के लिए what you can do is you can just take your any kajal, like जैसे I have a sugar kajal here. जैसे यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा liner has come down. So once it dries ना, you can just apply the kajal on top of it. So it fixes it itself. You don't have to worry. So don't panic. हो जाएगा. Don't worry at all. So let's just फटाफट complete this side. Yeah, and this is how it looks. If you can see, this is how it looks. It's very pretty. I love how the color is popping out very, very well. So yeah, let me do the other side and come back, and then we will do the lower lash line. So I've already done the liner on both of my eyes, and this is how the look is looking. Now इस eye में lower lash line बाकी है. You have nothing to else to do but just take the same pink, and हम waterline में भी कुछ नहीं डाल रहे. अगर आपका मन है, you can put a skin color liner or a slightly white liner to open up your eyes. I would recommend that for hooded eyes people to apply a little bit of a skin color kajal or something, and I will be doing it just to show you the difference of the look. And I've just applied the pink in my lower lash line. ऐसे just हल्का सा, just to complete the look, and it will look superb. And I've taken a very precise brush like so. ये बेली का brush है. Again, it's, you have to buy the 30-piece set. Individually नहीं खरीद सकते, and there's no number to it. So yeah, and I've just applied this in my lower lash line, and this is how the complete look is looking. I'm loving how it is looking. Just to show you how the skin color kajal will look, this is Color Chemistry ka kajal in the shade Skin only, and I'm just applying it in my waterline. इससे क्या होगा ना कि आंखें थोड़ी खुली रखेंगे. It'll look a little open and bright. So maybe hooded eyes people can opt for this option as well. And yeah, now we're just going to take mascara. I'm going to take the Sky High mascara. Definitely curl your lashes a bit before. I am not curling my lashes today. And just apply the mascara like so. You can go generous with the coats as well. I'm going to apply 2-3 coats. And this is how it's looking. I love how the finished look is. Sorry for the traffic noise, guys, if you can hear it. It's just so crazy outside my house. I live right at the main road and it's such a problem. I've applied the mascara now. You can actually just wear it like this and go, but I'm going to apply my falsies and come back, so stay tuned. Otherwise आप बिना lashes को भी इसको beautifully carry off कर सकते हो. There's nothing to worry. And yeah, so let me wear my lashes and come back. So I applied my falsies and I'm back, and you can see it's looking very pretty. I've not applied very heavy lashes. I've just applied very simple ones. This is Penny by Kingdom of Lashes, a beautiful falsies. Now this is how the look is. Now if you want to just take it up a notch, you can do your inner corner but I think I'm gonna leave it at this only so that you guys can follow. I will make a separate tutorial as to how to do your inner corner, and I want you to do that first before I do it in a look. So this is how the final look is looking, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This was highly requested on Instagram, and I'm so happy that you all loved this look. It's very fun, summery, bright, a lovely look, and I hope you enjoyed this, and I loved shooting this tutorial for you guys, and I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My Insta ID is Relate with Tanya. Till then, I will see you guys next time. Mwah, bye, and I love you all.